Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Gas prices will decline marginally tomorrow. 25 cents will be subtracted from the cost of a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline. The prices of automotive diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel, and kerosene will also decline by 25 cents. Propane will cost $3 less. $3 will be also subtracted from the cost of butane. The Planning Institute of Jamaica PIOJ is estimating that the economy grew by 6.3% for the July to September quarter this year. The PIOJ's Director General, Dr. Wayne Henry, gave the preliminary estimates at the PIOJ's press briefing this morning. It appears to be another quarter of growth for the economy. In the latest Gross Domestic Product preliminary estimate for July to September, the Planning Institute of Jamaica PIOJ says growth was about 6.3%.
The estimated outturn for the review quarter largely reflected the impact of 1, the relaxation of COVID-19 containment measures globally, which facilitated increased domestic and external demand, resulting in a general uptick in economic activities. 2, increased operating hours for businesses, which facilitated higher capacity utilization rates and production levels. 3, higher levels of employment as firms either resumed or ramped up operations. And 4, increased business confidence associated with the prospects for strengthened economic outturn in the short to medium term.
Dr. Henry says the key sectors driving this growth were manufacturing, which grew 8.5%, agriculture 7.2%, and construction, which saw a marginal 1.7% growth. This brings economic growth since the start of 2021 to the end of September to 4%. Meanwhile, Dr. Henry says tourism also registered strong growth.
The value added for the hotels and restaurant industry was estimated to have grown by 114.7%. Stopover visitor arrivals for the months of July and August 2021 increased by 293.3%.
Increased vaccinations in source markets contributed to the increase. Dr. Henry says growth is expected to continue for the remainder of the year.
For October to December 2021, it is projected that the economy will grow within a range of 5% to 8%, resulting in a calendar year growth that is January to December 2021 in the range of 3% to 6%. For fiscal year 2021-22, the projection is for growth within the range of 6% to 9%.
The Bank of Jamaica BOJ intervened in the foreign exchange market today. The bank sold $30 million to 6 banks and 4 cambios through a flash sale. This is the 16th intervention in the market since the start of the year. This comes after the local currency hit its lowest on record compared to the US dollar yesterday, selling at an average $157.07. And in the market today, the Jamaican dollar made a slight rebound compared to the U.S. currency. Now it's selling for an average $156.82 for $1 US dollar. $123.38 is the going rate for the Canadian, $210.87 for the pound, and $180 for the euro. Let's head to the stock exchange. The JC index gained 2,471 points today, while the junior market index lost 15 points. Advancing today were Eplis 7.5% preference shares, Cygnus Real Estate Finance, Jamaica Producers, Express Catering, and T-Tech, while on the losing side were JMB Group 7.25% shares, MG Packaging and Paper Company, Paramount Trading Jamaica, Caribbean Cream, and Pan Jam Investment. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. Regional and international news, they're after the break.